tape it, and make it. Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you a taping technique for the thumb saddle joint, pain in this area. We need 2 strips for this. A Kintex pre-cut tape strip, which we tear open about halfway, and a prepared strip of 6 inches length of Kintex classic tape. My colleague will now show you how the taping technique works. First, we put the hand in a pre-stretched position and tear the pre-cut about halfway open. Cut the backing paper of the base in the middle and tape the base exactly on the thumb saddle joint. Let it run up the forearm without pulling. Paint the whole thing. Detach the backing paper from the first strip. Wrap it around the thumb. Cross over at the base of the thumb. Take the second strip. Now go from the inside to the outside and cross over again at the base of the thumb, tape the whole thing on without tension, and rub it a little. Now take our classic tape strip and tape it under maximum tension exactly over the thumb saddle joint. Let the base run out in each case. Now, rub everything to optimize the adhesive strength of the tape. And this taping technique is finished. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it!